Hi everyone! I'm Mandy. Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making cashew chicken, a popular stir fry originated from Zhejiang province of China. It's quick and easy. Even if you are a beginner, you can make it better than takeout. So let's get started. Slice the chicken breast into 2/3 inch thick strips. Then dice it into 2/3 inch cubes. Marinate the chicken with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, some white pepper to taste, a little bit of cornstarch. It will create a soft, velvety shell that locks in the juice while stir frying, so the meat stays juicy. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce to give the chicken a desired brown color. Last, 1½ teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine. Mix well, set it aside for 15 minutes. Whenever you make a stir-fry recipe, it's best to put together all the seasonings ahead of time so you don't rummage around when the heat is on. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, ½ tablespoon of hoisin sauce, ½ tablespoon of dark soy sauce, ½ teaspoon of 5 spice powder, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1½ teaspoon of cornstarch. Stir until there are no lumps. Set it aside. Peel 10 cloves of garlic and cut them into halves. Slice ½ inch of ginger thinly. Dice 3 scallions and separate the white and green part. Cut the red and green bell pepper into small diamond shape. Use the roll cutting technique to cut the carrot into bite-sized pieces. Different colors make this dish pretty in presentation. However, feel free to switch the vegetables with whatever you have in your kitchen. Add a generous amount of oil to the wok. Turn the heat to medium and add the cashew, which is unsalted. If yours has flavors, you may need to adjust the seasoning amount based on your situation. Stir over medium-low heat for 1 minute or until the nuts are slightly golden. Remove the cashew from the wok, but leave the oil behind. You can switch the cashew to walnut, pecan, or peanut. Turn the heat to high and add the marinated chicken. This is small bite-sized meat, so it only takes a few minutes of stirring to cook through. Once the chicken is slightly charred, remove it from the wok. Make sure to tilt the wok so you can leave the oil behind. Add garlic, ginger, dice the white part of the scallions, and the carrot, because the carrot takes longer to cook. Stir over medium heat until fragrant. Add a splash of water, then cover the wok with a lid. Give it a couple of minutes for the steam to cook the carrot through. Add the red and green bell pepper. Pour in the sauce and introduce the chicken back into the wok. Continue to stir over medium-low heat. If the wok looks dry, you can add a splash of water to help to mingle everything together. That looks good. Before serving, add the nuts and dice the green part of the scallion and toss thoroughly. This dish is usually served with white rice. You can also eat it with noodles. Smells so good. I'm so hungry now, and let's eat. Trust me, you will enjoy the combination of crunchy cashews, tender chicken, and that thick, flavorful sauce. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe is in the description. Go check it out. Thank you for watching. This video is sponsored by Souped Up Recipes Carbon Steel Wok. This is my own brand, and I have been using this wok for 5 years now. It is the most useful tool for anybody that wants to cook Chinese food. If you want to support the channel, check the link in the description. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!